So I had this mystery box show up from FedEx, and it says open this side up. I cut it open, but this is as much as I've seen so far. So we're gonna unbox this together, see what's going on. Ooh, yes. Nice. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Thank you so much, Pixel. This is awesome. Oh, it's already unboxed for me. It's a nice little bag. Feels good. It's got like this chromatic. Oh man, how do I get this out? All right. So there's that part. Pixel 9 collection. Oh hey I. Oh hi I can't say it. Oh hi AI. So I got my own personal service if I need anything from them, any help. Okay, it says to open this side up, but I don't know if I can do that or not. It's pretty tight. It's kind of heavy. It's gonna be an experience. This is cool. Oh man. I had one of those scary moments where I thought I was not recording. So just kind of giving an idea what it looks like this way. This looks awesome. Wow. Oh, this is too cool. What? It lights up. This is insane. Wow. This, I don't know how many times I could do that. This needs to be like a charging dock. Like that would be ridiculous. Just put it away at night, come back in the morning. Ah. As you can tell, I don't have a high-pitched voice. This is so cool. Wow. I have to take the camera down for a second so you can see it from the other angle. So I'm gonna go handheld for a second. You're gonna see my unboxing table. Oh wow, look at this. This is so freaking cool. That's awesome. Google, yeah, I did yourself this time. You do kind of every time. All right, this is amazing. That's awesome. Thank you, Google. I appreciate it. Oh wow. So, I mean, I could take this whole block out and just use it as a stand. Obviously, more content about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Wow, this is awesome. What's your thoughts on this unboxing experience? I bought my own and, you know, did just kind of like a standard unboxing, but it's hard to beat something like that. That's all. This is cool. All right, signing off for now. I'll catch you next video.